Yeah man, welcome back guys, welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this video. Today guys, we're gonna roast, we're gonna roast our breadfruit today guys, So, this is our breadfruit, and we're gonna have do a fish on the side. I wanna do it outside, even though the weather look a bit gloom on the outside. Like we're gonna have some rain, but whether rain or shine, breadfruit have to roast. Have to roast to the rain. Rain or shine, breadfruit have to roast. So we are gonna roast the breadfruit today. Anyways, we're gonna dig out the heart, get the heart dig, get this thing out. Dig out. I'm gonna take the heart out, so let me just turn the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing. And I'm gonna alright. Okay. Can't just work like this. So we're just gonna get the knife down on, just do it like this. Take out, get this bit out. Breadfruit look like it's a good breadfruit, So inside it look yellow. It's a yellow heart on it. Yeah man. And yellow like this, them call it yellow heart. I really know the others, our heart the others have, but this one look like a yellow heart. This one look like a yellow heart. Yeah man. But anyway guys, we're gonna catch up with fire. Yeah? So stick and stay. And there's another thing guys, when you're catching a fire, you wanna make sure that let me set this thing properly. Yeah man, you wanna make sure you do your thing safe, Because you don't wanna burn down the place. So make sure guys, when you're catching a fire, you do it safely. Outside, I've got 2 car rim, So I'm gonna show that to you. So stick and stay. I'll get my fire catch up. Alright guys. As I was saying earlier, I've got 2 car rim on the outside. So at the minute you are seeing one. Yeah, I'll be using this one to roast my breadfruit in. Okay, the other one is just underneath the camera right here. Yeah, that's the other one there. So that's 2 I've got here. So that's my 2 burner stove. Yeah man. So we're gonna get this light up. And this is what I'm gonna use to catch my fire. Some cardboard. Alright guys. Gotta get the thing. Gotta get the fire light up. Let's light up the thing now. I'll leave that, make it go and catch, guys. Alright guys, at the minute I can see smoke. So that tells me that fire is catching. So we're just gonna leave this until it catch. Come back and get the breadfruit. On the fire. Alright guys. We're gonna get a fish, get some seasoning over our fish. This is our fish. You can have any meat you choose to have, guys, with roast breadfruit. If you want to have some vegetables, you can do that as well. So don't think we just limit we just limit ourselves to fish when it comes to breadfruit. You can have anything, anything you want to have your breadfruit with, it's up to you. You know what I mean? What if you feel like you want to eat some tin mackerel and breadfruit? That's your choice. But if you feel like you want to have some curry chicken and breadfruit, that's your choice. But if you feel like you want to cook some good curry or you want to make some stewed beef or you want to do whatever you want to do, man, it's all good. Or if you want to cook some kalaloo, yeah, steam some kalaloo, steam up some cabbage, saltfish and them thing, yeah man, it's still good. But anyways, we're going to deal with that fish today, yeah? So stick and stay, we'll get some seasoning. In the meantime guys, our fire is it's catching, yeah, it's catching nicely. It's coming up nicely. You can see the coal, you know, burning away. But anyways, we're gonna mix up. You know, we have another thing, you know, little all-purpose seasoning, little fish seasoning, little garlic powder, little black pepper. We're having this, so we're just gonna mix it all up like so, and slap it on over the fish. You understand? Yeah, man. It's not a lot for seasoning, so we're just gonna get this over the fish. Yeah. So let's tilt the camera a bit so you guys can see when I'm slapping this thing on. Yeah. So this is our fish. Yeah. Make sure you get the crevice and corners and inside of the gut. Rub it out nicely inside here. And on the outside of the spot on some. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave this looking go and rest for a bit. Then we're gonna attend to the fire, see what's going on with the fire. And we're gonna check up on the fire, see what's going on. If you're ready for the breadfruit as yet. Alright, so that is that guys. Stick and stay. Soon come. Alright guys, fire catch up nicely. So we're gonna get our breadfruit on. If you notice guys, I put an X at the bottom of the breadfruit, yeah? People normally do that, yeah? For the heat to penetrate through the breadfruit, yeah? So we're gonna get it out now. Now we're gonna remove this cut. So that is it, we're gonna leave that. Go and roast. Alright guys, we're gonna turn the breadfruit. As you can see, it's bubbling. Oh dear. Turn it over like so. Yeah. This side out of the rocks. And this is the X guys, as you can see. X open up big. Like that. Alright. So we're gonna leave this. Continue roasting. Yeah man, that is it. Oh there guys, I've got a little orange tree, look like the orange tree beer as well, you know. Look, let me see if I can show you. Look, guys, can you see the blossom coming up? All these white stuff you see there, these are blossom. Yeah, some orange tree finally bear. Finally bear. All these are oranges. Yeah man, orange coming out. Some can pick orange. Yeah man, that is it. So alright guys, this is our roast breadfruit. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put it under the pipe and cool it down and then peel it after. I mean, as you can see, the heat still coming from it. I don't want to get burnt, so I'm gonna just cool it down first and then peel it up. Stay tuned, Miss Oka. Alright guys, we have finished the cooking process. Yeah man, the breadfruit ready, fish ready. I hope you guys ready. Yeah man, because right about now I'm gonna delve into it and see what's going on, you know what I mean? But as I said before guys, you can have anything with your breadfruit, when I say anything I mean any meat of your choice, yeah, any vegetables you want to cook, yeah. Breadfruit, I can tell you breadfruit is very versatile, yeah man. Yeah, so anything you want to cook with your breadfruit guys, any kind of meat, yeah man, you can do that. Any meat of your choice. Breadfruit is so adaptable guys, so anything you cook, it goes well with your breadfruit. That's what I want to say in short, yeah man. And right now guys, to be honest, I don't really need the fish because this breadfruit is half ripe, so I don't really need the fish because breadfruit kind of have a sweet taste to it, so you know what I mean? But you Jamaican must know what, you know what I'm talking about when I say breadfruit half ripe. You know the thing nice, you know what I mean? But anyway, we are going to dig in it same way. Whether it ripe or not ripe, we are going to deal with the case. Yeah man, I just that more say that short. In short guys. So let me try the breadfruit. We have some curry gravy. Yeah? So we are going to touch some of the breadfruit now the curry gravy. You see look? Yeah man. You can't just have it with the curry gravy guys. I'm telling you. This is banging. So over here we have a fish well dressed up with our vegetables. You know? So some carrot, bell pepper and stuff on it. So yeah. Vegetables are crunchy. That is key guys. Whenever you're doing your vegetables, you don't want them, you know, too soft. You want to have the vegetable crunchy. Yeah man. A little al dente in it, as they would say. Yeah, I mean. So we will dig into the fish. Wow. Wow. Let me try some of the fish guys with the breadfruit because it's been a while. I've roasted breadfruit with fish, so I'm treating myself today, yeah man. I'm treating myself today, yeah. Wow. Oh yes. This is amazing guys. It's amazing. I hear the boss lady advice, but I want to finish before she come guys, because I didn't tell her anything about this. So I want to hurry up and set me can eat her this before. Ah, believe yourself. Yeah, I can hear her voice. I heard her voice. But you know what gonna slow me down, guys? The bone in the fish. There are bones in the fish. That's gonna slow me down. So she's gonna catch me red-handed. Red-handed, she's gonna hold me. Eating fish. I roast breadfruit. I'm gonna tell her nothing. I didn't mention nothing to her about my fish and my breadfruit. You know what I mean? So I'm just trying to finish. Yeah man. So delicious, guys. So good. It's amazing. That is it, man. So you guys remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We're still active in the Hot Kitchen, man. That is it, man. Until then, catch you in another one. I'm gonna finish this. But I think I have to leave some fear, because otherwise there won't be any peace. You understand? And we want peace, so I left some fear. So I'll catch you in another one. We're out.